Many growing HVAC businesses relies on the owner to do the estimates because, amongst other things, no one knows the numbers quite as well as the owner, right? But here's the problem. How do you grow your business when there's such a restrictive bottleneck? You need to make the process simple and standardized enough that you can quickly and reliably train others to do this role in order for you, the owner, to focus on the overall picture and at the same time allowing you to hire more salespeople to grow the number of estimates and installations that your business does every month.